Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. And press the notification bell if you would like to see when I release new content. For those of you who keep coming back, thank you so much. I so appreciate you. All right, let's get into what's new this week. Now, the hashtag Friday Sews moniker or hashtag was created for sewers or creators on Facebook to share what they've been working on for the week. As a former teacher, you know I love a red folder where you kind of show the parents what I've been up to this week. So this week has all been about Dress a Girl. And so I was so delighted to work on some dresses that I had started last year, but unfortunately contracted dengue fever. I don't recommend it. It was on a holiday and I got bit by a mosquito, and it was very poison with Bible. So I got sick. So I don't remember a lot about that time. I did turn in dresses. I even did a video, but it's all hazy. I just remember my ceiling in my bedroom. Anyway, so I've been cleaning up by doing those dresses first, and then I started doing dresses that weren't one of the official Dress a Girl patterns, and I found a new pattern, and I'll talk about it in a minute. So I will show you some of the dresses I made from the Dress a Girl patterns. They're available on dressagirlaroundtheworld.com. This is the small, but the ones I'm showing you now are the large. You can add a ruffle or you can keep it plain. And I made about, I think, 6 of these. I got the fabric from Ping's. You know how I feel about that place. You walk in there, you're not really sure what you're looking for. And last year I went in there and there was a lady unloading an entire bag full of cotton juvenile prints. I came in there looking for Dress a Girl dress, cottons, and there she was. I said, just give me the bag, because they weigh it. I said, just give me the bag. So it was like 20-something bucks. And I went home with all these unbelievable prints. My special favorite are the balloons. I love the cupcakes. I love the llamas. I love all of those. And I made a whole set last year. And this is the last of them this year. But let me show you the next pattern that I took on that I love as well. Or this Simplicity 2377. I really love this pattern because you can color block. Remember, it fits the rules. It fits over their head. There's no buttons or zips or anything like that. One of my subscribers told me that she lines the very top tier, and I wish I had known that before I cut out umpteen million of these dresses. But if I make them again next year, I think that would be so great, because that would make this top here so very sturdy. Almost a little reversible. No reverse, sorry. All right, so I made a bunch of these, and I think I've shown you that. Now, I am working on this next couple of days. Last year when I was in America, I stopped by Joann's, and they had little t-shirts on sale for a really great price. I think 4 for $10. And I thought, oh, my little girls love to wear t-shirt dresses. And so I have found accompanying fabrics that go with each color of past dresses that I have made. And I'm going to be working on those, I think, between now and before I leave for my vacation. I'm going on holiday, y'all. 5 days at a resort. We're going to try, girl. Every time we leave, sometimes we have to come home early. But I've talked to my dad, and I told him no cutting up while I'm away. But I'm going to work on those between, I think, now and when I leave. And I did make something else. Okay, so I was really excited about making this dress. This is Butterick 6993. It has everything I like. It is basically, this is like a caftan, the top part. If you look at the line drawings, you can see it's like a caftan at the very top. And nothing I like more than a layer skirt. And if I didn't like a layer skirt, I love myself some rickrack. Now listen, on this pattern, when they say 14 yards of rickrack, they mean it. It is 14 yards of rickrack. Because of my height, I did not need this level. If I had put this level on, I would not have had enough rickrack. I think I bought, it came on a roll. I think I bought 12 yards. No, they're serious. It's 14 yards of rickrack because I barely made it, but I made it in a crazy fabric. Let me show it to you. All right. Yes, these are pineapples. These are pineapples, navy and pineapple. I love blue, I love pineapple. Can you believe I found a rickrack the same color as these pineapples? It's not bright yellow, it's kind of like a light mustard. Let me show you the other rickrack I bought first as a mistake. See, this is the one I ordered from Amazon. It's not right. It's not right. But this was perfection. And here's a couple pictures of me wearing it here. I took a picture of it with someone's blue drink with a pineapple wedge in it. That drink was not for me, but the blue was very, very nice. All right, so I found a little hack for you when you're applying rickrack. I used to, because I do like a large rickrack, and I would sew through the center and then go back and tack the waves, but I don't know what made me think of it, but I do a lot of free arm stitching for my quilts and things. It was perfect for the rickrack. I could go along the curves. I attached it at the bottom, and then I attached it at the top, so there is no, you know how it is sometimes your rickrack flips, little edges flip up? No, they won't, because you have stitched them with your free arm attachment. You're welcome. I'm not really going to do a sew along, I think, on this dress, but another information, it needs a snap like halfway up because it does open. I think there must have someone with a longer body, but it needed a little snap to give you some privacy. All right, so when I was digging around, I found two more Dress a Girl dresses that were hidden in something else. So I think I will work on those when I come back. I'll have another week of Dress a Girl action when I come home. So I think I'm gonna hit my goal. I wanted to have a dress for each one of these backpacks, but I only have 1, 2, 3 of them left, and I have more dresses than that. So I'm gonna hit my goal for that, and I just need to box up the things I've already made. Okay. All right. So, and as for people who won my hashtag Sew Reversible Challenge 2024, I'm boxing up your gold bags as we speak, and they'll be in the mail to you soon. You'll have to wait till I come back from vacation, because I don't think the post office is not open on Saturday. I know y'all don't understand that, but I don't understand that. But the post office is not open on Saturday in Jamaica. Imagine that. So I really haven't bought anything new. If you're interested in this pineapple fabric, I don't know if they have it anymore. I got it from Fabric Marks Fabric. It comes in blue and pineapple, and it comes in black and pineapple. You will see the black and pineapple. And I had a couple yards left of the blue and pineapple. Such fun. It's a challis, beautiful weight. I enjoyed making it, and I enjoyed wearing it. Let's see. I haven't bought anything recently. I know it's shocking. I don't really have a haul. Everything has come in. I'm well on my way with my Christmas things. I'm well on my way with my Dress a Girl thing. I'm looking forward to October because that's costumes. Alrighty, so that's my week. I did do something new. I put in a shelf to put some of my dollies on. I'll take a picture of that and insert it in here. And I think that's about it. Wish me luck about the holiday, y'all. I have big plans. I'm taking my husky with me for sometimes it rains in the afternoon in Jamaica and passes over. And my holiday, I've done a sewing retreat, sewing holiday, and that was wonderful. Swam, sewed, took a nap, ate. It's very, very good. All right, so I know they're gonna laugh at me, but I'm bringing my sewing machine, I have a few things I wanna make. And then when I come back, it's time to finish out Dress a Girl. I hope you're having a great week. I am. All right, so we'll talk to you soon. Bye.